guys, just hanging out in my super adult cloud pajamas with the dog. And I thought I'd show you the PlantSwap goodies that I've just had received. Haven't opened it yet, so let's see what they look like. It's really hard to do this with one hand. Ooh, well, they look well packaged, so that's always a good start. I've had some really squished ones arriving recently. So if anyone hasn't done a plant swap before, they're fab, because you can give some of your excess plants and propagations in return to new ones. And all you have to do is pay the postage. So here are the two lots. I gave a Sempervivarium full plant that I'd just fallen out of love with. And, God, I can't remember what the second thing was. Some cuttings of something. And in return, I got these beautiful Brazil cuttings. So I don't actually have a Brazil yet. This is really generous. There's quite a few cuttings on here, and they're quite decent. So really looking forward to getting those propagating, and quite a few nodes as well. And look at that nice big leaf. That's gorgeous. And then in the second one, loving the purple wrapping paper or tissue paper, we have heartleaf philodendron. Again, something that I didn't actually have. I know neither of them are hugely rare plants, but it's always nice to add new things to your collection. And once again, very, very generous on the cuttings. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and a fifth leaf on the way there. So I hope you guys try out some plant swaps. Loads of people do them on Instagram, but they also have proper plant groups for your area, or on over the UK, where you can go and swap your plant cuttings. So do check it out. It's a really fun way of refreshing your plant collection without having to spend money.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please visit me on Instagram.